The foundation of text in Word is very simple. Just click on your document and type. You can type anything. You can type by using the keyboard, and for keeping spaces you can use space bar. And if you want to delete your typed words, you can use backspace button, or if you want to delete to other side, you can use delete button. You can use arrow keys to move the insertion point here and there. You can move the insertion point here and there by using arrow keys, and you can see that the insertion point is moving letter to letter. But if you click control button and the arrow keys, it's moving word by word. Yeah, you can see that. If you click control button with up and down arrow keys, it's moving paragraph to paragraph. You can see that. It's moving paragraph to paragraph. And let's think you have to type same word in many places and you want to make it easy. You can do this one. You can select that word and copy it to your clipboard and paste where you want to type it. I will tell how to do it. To select a word, first you have to move the insertion point to the front of the word and click and drag it like this. The little box is the hover toolbar. This one is the hover toolbar, and which you gives easy access to formatting options. You can bold it, underline, change the color like that, and remove all these things. If you want to copy this, you have to right click on it and click copy, or otherwise you can use Ctrl and C keys in the keyboard. And here now I have copied this word provides. I will paste here, right click, and there are few options to paste. I select keep text only, like that. You can paste your button. Move a word to another place, first you can select it and click and drag the word to the place which you want. Now you can see that powerful is moving there. And if you think you have done a wrong thing, you can undo it, or if you want you can redo it. And there are few options which you want to know when you are using Microsoft Word. If you want to select all the words at once, press Ctrl button and A button at once, and then all the words are selected. Now you can do anything to these all paragraphs and words.